Welcome again to the Smart Factory discussions. Today's topic, how to benefit from advanced planning and scheduling systems.
Hello, everyone. There are lots of benefits of advanced planning and scheduling. So today we'll talk for 8 of them. One of the main important one is to increase the productivity. So how you can increase the productivity with the scheduling? The scheduling APS system can minimize the setups for you. It can make a balance between the loads. It can get the components for you before you start production, and it can optimize the whole production plan. By this way, you will have an increased boost of productivity. The second benefit is to reduce your inventory. The system makes sure that you have a reduction in raw material consumption by using APS, since it is also planning your in-process work orders based with your inventory, and it is optimizing and synchronizing your APS plan with your stock levels. The third benefit is on-time delivery. Since you always have an on-time plan with the schedule and you have an accurate scheduling results, you make sure that you don't exceed your deadlines. By this way, you have better customer experience because you have a greater customer satisfaction when you get your orders on time. The last one is the improving of your planning scheduling accuracy. So by this way, by using APS systems, you can have scheduled results much quickly and accurately, and you can minimize the downtimes and increase the efficiency by using the scheduling results. Mr. Nuri can continue for the
Thank
next
you, Hans. So we will discuss about other benefits. The other one, improve OEE and reduce machine downtime. So how we can improve OEE? So minimizing setup duration means combine some setups with same product or with same equipment will increase your availability. Then available stock planning based on your warehouse, your current warehouse situation, also will avoid a lot of unexpected duration in your shop floor. Then based on your job order sequence, system will plan and then put some protection to have bottlenecks waiting for the process. So in the end, you will improve your OEE based on increasing your availability, increasing your performance and quality. The next one, increase visibility. How we can increase the visibility to see based on different machine, workstation, work centers in different times and see the relation between process will increase your visibility of the shop floor. You can immediately see the relation and you can change the plan also manually and you can get any kind of action. So this will be very useful for you. The next one, make better tactical and strategic decision. How we can obtain this benefit? So based on your plan in different scenario, how we can create scenario? So system should provide you some simulation. So you should able to change some settings, some configuration. It can be calendar, it can be capacity based on machine capacity or labor capacity or skill matrix. So you should try and see how it changed. Did you with this decision you are able to increase your productivity or not? So this system should provide you this kind of capability. So MSF APS is bringing this one. The last one, gain an immediate return on investment. How we can do it? Avoiding all the bottlenecks and all the benefits what we mentioned above will decrease your operational cost and will increase your productivity, and your return of investment will be very fast and very high. Thank you so much.